Presido Buhari don unveil the APC Presidential Campaign Council. Presido for Naija Muhammadu Buhari on Friday for the inauguration of the All Progressive Congress APC Presidential Campaign Council wey happen for Abuja don tok say e go dey the forefront for the campaign to see say Bola Ahmed Tinubu win the election.
I want to charge every member to put in maximum efforts during the next 4.5 months of campaign to ensure we record a resounding victory in all our elections nationwide. The future of this country is safer in our hands. Our candidate, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, is too well known for his capacity and can-do spirit. He stands tall in his track record as a Democrat, a champion of the rule of law, a man at home in every part of our country, and a truly visionary leader.
Buhari will encourage the members make them do their best for the campaign to see say APC win all their elections for 2023. Cause the talk say the future of Naija dey safe for APC, and Bola Ahmed Tinubu will be their presidential candidate na ogbonge person wey dey capable.
Our commitment to stimulate our nation's economy through massive infrastructural development has not been misplaced. The real impact of our efforts will be felt more as the various projects are completed and put to use in the coming days. Our administration remains committed to progressively eliminate all flashpoints of insecurity nationwide. We would triumph over the enemies of our country in whatever form and shape they appear.
Buhari con tok say im administration go remove insecurity from Naija patapata. Bola Tinubu will be the presidential candidate for All Progressive Congress APC, and Kashim Shettima will be the vice presidential candidate. Con tok say dem go continue to lead Naija to the promised land.
We are saying today, the renewed hope of this country will be for real. This is a promise that you can depend on. The hope is back, renewed, back, and solid.
There is no doubt that Nigerians have found in the APC the Moses to lead them to the promised land.
Senator Abdullahi Adamu will be the All Progressive Congress National Chairman, and Simon Lalong will be the Director General of the All Progressive Congress Presidential Campaign Council. Con tok say the party dey united and they go continue to promote peace and national development for the country. They constitu tok say dem go ensure say APC hand over to another APC government.
Our party is united around a common cause, the cause of peace, unity, and national development.
I assure you that we will work assiduously to deliver on your mandate of seeing an APC to APC transition from President Muhammadu Buhari to President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make you na remember say your PVC na your power. No go sell your vote for any politician or political party on election day.